How to kill maple tree seedlings. Maple trees develop masses of yellow flower blossoms in the spring months, which then fall off and are replaced by seeds. The seeds of the maple have feathery wings on top and they spin in a spiral motion as they drop to the ground. If you have a maple tree, then chances are good you also have unwanted maple seedlings growing in your yard. Killing the seedlings prevents them from growing taller and blocking out sunlight to the underlying grass. Things you'll need: garden sprayer, herbicide containing tricloperamine or tricloperester, water. Fill a garden sprayer with an herbicide containing the ingredient tricloperamine or tricloperester, which kill woody plants such as maples. Add water to the garden sprayer to dilute the herbicide to the amount recommended by the bottle instructions. Close the garden sprayer and shake it to mix the herbicide solution. Point the tip of the garden sprayer directly at the maple tree seedlings and spray the leaves thoroughly until the herbicide solution begins to drip off them. Examine the ground once every 2 to 3 weeks for signs of new maple tree seedlings that have sprouted. If needed, reapply the herbicide to the new seedlings as instructed by the herbicide packaging. Tips: warnings. If the maple tree seedlings are in an area with no other vegetation, such as a sidewalk or gravel area, apply a herbicide containing the ingredient glyphosate. Glyphosate will kill all vegetation, so do not use it around desirable plants or grass. Do not exceed the number of herbicide applications specified on the bottle or you may injure other vegetation.